Hey guys, so this is a very short lesson where we're going to prove variance rule number 3, and this is quite straightforward. Once again, we're going to begin by noting the fact that the variance of a variable, let's say x, is always equal to the covariance of that variable with itself. And if you don't understand why, you can watch the other video where I have proven this, and the link is in the description box below. Okay, so this is the special case where we have y being equal to a constant, let's say b. So in this situation, the variance of y is going to equal 0, and this can be proven quite easily. So like the other two variance rules, we're going to begin by noting that the variance of y is simply equal to the covariance of y with itself. This is what I started out with. So next, what we're going to do is we're simply going to plug in for both of these y arguments simultaneously. So this becomes, we know that y is equal to b, right? So we can rewrite this as covariance of b with b. And now, using covariance rule number 3, if you're not familiar with that, you can watch the other videos for the covariance rules. So using covariance rule number 3, we can simply conclude that this is equal to 0. Therefore, we've proven that variance of y when y is equal to a constant is equal to 0.